In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Dropbox on Windows 11. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have Dropbox up and running on your machine and ready to keep your files seamlessly synced across devices. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you're going to want to visit the official download page. The easiest way to get there is by opening your browser and typing in dropbox.com/desktop. This page ensures you're downloading the most up-to-date version of Dropbox without having to navigate through third-party sites, which is always a good idea for security reasons. Once you're on the Dropbox desktop page, keep an eye out for the download button. It's usually prominently displayed, so go ahead and click on it. This action will begin downloading the installer file to your computer. Depending on your internet speed, this might take from a few seconds to a minute or two. When the download is complete, you'll find the installer file in your designated download location, often the Downloads folder in Windows. Double-click the installer file to run it. This step is straightforward, but if you run into any issues, it might be due to your computer's security settings, which we'll address next. Sometimes, especially on Windows 11, you might get a pop-up asking for permission to install new software. This is normal, and you'll need to allow it to proceed with the installation. If prompted, you'll likely need administrator rights. So, if your current profile doesn't have those rights, make sure you have the credentials or speak with the admin of your device to continue. After granting permission, the installation process will get underway. It's fairly automated. You just have to sit back and let Dropbox do its thing. Once the installation is completed, you'll be greeted with a prompt to sign in. If you already have a Dropbox account, sign in using your credentials. If you're new to Dropbox, take this opportunity to set up a new account. It's straightforward and only requires some basic details. With the account set up and installation complete, a Dropbox folder will appear on your PC. Typically, you can find this folder in your user directory, but it's easy to access directly from the Dropbox application as well. From now on, any files you place in this folder will automatically sync to your Dropbox account. This makes it incredibly convenient to access your files from any device where Dropbox is installed or through the web interface. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Dropbox on your Windows 11 machine, ready to keep your files safely backed up and easily accessible. Thanks for following along, and I hope this has helped you set up Dropbox with ease.